Good morning.
Morning.
There she is driving. I've actually let her drive today. I don't know if that was a good decision or not. But anyway.
Are you scared?
I'm always scared when you're driving. Anyway, so I've got the job of starting the video this week. So we're up to the boats. Today is the day that the engine is going to be started. So we will hear the purring of our engine.
Just got to pray John doesn't go out so we can get our tea stall.
No, I think we're going to be all right.
Okay.
I think it's all organised. So so we were sure we will be able to start it this morning. So we're on our way up. It's a nice bright sunny morning, chilly but it's bright. So that's the plan today. Going to catch up on a few things up there, and also we have been giving a provisional date for our crane, which is Wednesday the 30th of April. So our steel baby by the end of April will be getting its water wings, we believe. So we'll wait and see, but that's the provisional date, so we're very excited to know that that is getting ever so closer. So yes, but we'll keep you updated with that. That seems to be the case for now. Anyway, we will be back with you a bit later when we arrive up at the boat.
Okay, exciting times. There's a big thing of diesel there, ready to go in the tank. And then we worked out our tank is huge, isn't it, Lee? What size was it, Lee? Lee, what size was our tank?
107.8 gallons.
107
gallons.
107 gallons. So we're hoping just to put enough in there to sort of flow it through to the engine so we can start the engine up.
Passing the fuel tank at the moment.
We're bypassing it.
Yeah.
Oh, some exciting news going on. Apparently, is it right, Lee, that Slow Patrol's coming back here? So if any of you follow the narrowboat that James built, he started his fit out here on Slow Patrol, and I think he sold his boat via raffle system, didn't he? Is that right?
Yeah.
And some guy in America won the boat, and he's bringing the boat back to North Kilworth wharf. So he'll be coming out of the water when we go in the water on the 30th of April, hopefully.
Is that dripping out of this one? Oh, is it? I can't see it from this side. I thought it was coming out this side. I was thinking, where's that coming from?
Back through it from the spill.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I can see it coming out of here now. It's coming out of there.
So it's cool. And it's starting that off.
Spanners, mate.
Okay.
Right, we're not putting any. I think I mentioned it anyway, but I'll mention it again. We're not putting any diesel in the diesel tank at the moment. We're just going to run it off. There's a small amount of diesel in a container in there, so we're going to bypass the tank into the engine before we start it up. So
you see down there, there's the tank there, so they just bypass it because it's such a big tank.
yeah, and where we are to get it carry it over from, because the pump won't reach this far and stuff. So
Yeah, it's
we're
easier to
probably
wait
just
till we
going
get
to do
water.
that for the time being, and then we'll probably go with filling up once we're in the water,
Yeah.
rather than messing about over here, filling jerry cans up and spilling it everywhere. So yeah,
You see what he's done down here. So yeah. So it won't be long, and hopefully we'll hear our engine for the first time.
yeah.
Here, look at this. He's coming over. He doesn't want to have FOMO, do you?
No,
Fear
exactly.
of missing out of the
Exactly.
engine being started up.
Unfortunately, the Mayor of Lutterworth was going to come for the starting up, but he's a bit busy, so he said, "Could I deputise you?"
That's a very tight squeeze in there, isn't it?
Yeah, we don't want to be jumping down there, do we?
Do you think you'll fit into that little bit there, Lee? Definitely not with that paddy jacket on. Okay, the time has come.
It's a bit tight.
Lee's put on a few pounds, so his jeans are feeling a bit tight. So it's about to go inside. John's very excited. Lee's about to go inside and do the big switch on. Apparently you turn left for a Vetus, so
I think that's on the inside, actually. I think I know what that is.
oh dear, it's those tight jeans again. And Andy's going to be sitting there.
This is your job when I'm finished.
Sorry?
This is your job when I'm finished.
Will I fit in there?
Yeah. All about method.
I better get to my yoga classes, Andy.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know where the key is for it?
Yeah, where's the key gone?
It was on the back of the control panel.
Oh great, we've lost the keys. This is not a good start.
Dave Potter's used it instead of a fuse. It's just like fixing the terminal.
We think Dave used the keys instead of a fuse. So they found the keys anyway, so let's have a look, see what's going on. John always turns up for the good bits. Here he goes.
So we turn to the
Turn
left.
to the left.
Ooh.
Let's give it. Right, maybe that's off go.
Oh, first time. Purring. Oh, look at Lisa. Ooh. You did your best Donald Trump face then. Ooh. This has been a long time coming.
Do we need to run it up and get the temperatures on the skin tank, so that's working. Should we run it up and get the temperature on, just check the skin tanks getting evenly heated all over?
It's going to need topping up anyway once it's full water out and the gearbox now.
Let me find out, when it's hit to me, just check. So I know with Ian's, that was the big thing of where there was cold spots in the water in the tank.
You better walk all the way round so you can see this.
Flow down
It's to be in the water for that.
Does it?
Yeah, that's where it works, isn't it?
When you still get the temperature of it, it might work quicker this way, I don't know. We'll fix it. What's your head in there for?
Sounds really good. It sounds a lot quieter than I thought it would sound.
Oh, it's just amazing to have that.
Oh, look at that face.
Surging a little bit. Yeah, surging a little bit.
That's a very proud moment. It's like a baby's being born.
That, yeah.
Why don't you come round so you can see it? Really not. Yeah, it sounds good. It's not loud. No.
Yeah, you doing that? Is that you touching it? Yeah, you touching it?
Pointing there.
We've got the meter.
Well, check the alternator's kicking out.
Because say your
I'm the runaround.
your trousers aren't as tight as Lee's. What do you think of the sound, Lee?
Yeah,
It's quite quiet. It's a lot quieter than I thought it would be.
Yeah.
That hospital silence is obviously doing its bit, isn't it?
Well, first go.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what that is.
Sorry, Andy. Andy doesn't like being filmed. So he's not sure about the tick over. Oh, okay.
Well, would that just be the case that it's just started and it just needs a little bit of time? Yeah. No.
Whoa.
That's the end of the playing. We'll turn it off now. There you go.
Oh. There you go.
Wow. There you go.
That was exciting stuff.
Worth the trip,
Yeah, very much worth the trip.
Brilliant. Yeah.
Amazing.
We're going to shove a load of
Okay, so just to show you, the bell thrusters all now
expanding foam in there.
in.
In that tube.
But we need to put conduit in there, did you say? We thought we had conduit, but we haven't.
Actually, down the tube, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think what we're going to ask Andy to do is weld on some brackets so we can put a shelf in there, then
Yeah.
have folding bikes in there eventually.
Mind you, it's going to have to be quite high, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's going to have to be sort of about this height, isn't it?
Which height? Sorry.
About here, isn't it?
Oh yeah, to go above there. Well, can you not sort of have something that goes like that and down, like a step?
There's your seam. You're coming in and just under the well deck, aren't you?
Yeah.
You can see the seam for the
Oh
well.
yeah.
That's your deck there.
Yeah. Oh, what
I don't know if you can see that moon, but it's called a blood moon apparently.
well, I think that's what it's called.
Yeah. So we've had a good day. It's been a very, very long day. Lots of driving there and back.
Saw Dave, didn't we?
Saw
Briefly.
Dave, yeah, briefly, yeah.
And as you saw, we had our engine started for the first time, which was very nice.
Yes.
Yeah. So after a long day, that's the end of our little vlog for this this time. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to subscribe if you've not subscribed.
And welcome
And
to our
to
new
like.
subscribers.
Yeah, welcome. Yeah, and then hopefully it won't be too long until we do our next trip up there. And we're on our countdown now for the boat going in the water.
Very exciting.
Yeah, so yeah, a few bits and pieces to sort out, and then it'll be into the water.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching, and we will see you all again soon. Bye.
Bye.